You get into some good trouble. Good trouble. Yes, you really get into it. No, 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 no. Madonna isn't afraid to express herself yet. The music icon left tonight's show host, Jimmy Fallon, nervous after a wild move on Thursday's episode, sliding across his desk on her stomach and leaving Jimmy to do his best to keep things friendly for TV. But of course, Madge was already one step ahead of him. No, 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 no. Madonna, stop, 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 stop. Oh my goodness, stop, sit, stop. I don't know what to do. Stop it right. Applause. Things eventually settled down, but Madonna couldn't help teasing Jimmy about his reaction, which led her to turn the tables and start interviewing him. Not sure what life is. Not just about interviewing kittens, laughter. Okay, that's right. She's going to talk to an adult. That's right, yes. You're talking to an adult now. Not sure if I'm talking to someone who is. I feel like you're in some sort of conflict right now. Oh, interesting, yes. Have you been to a therapist? The 63-year-old man has set trends and blown minds for 40 years. Although many have tried to follow in his footsteps, there is still only one material girl, and Madonna told Jimmy that she is well aware of her uniqueness influencing people. Take your ideas, you do all these things first, and then people take your ideas and they don't give you credit, and I say no. Madonna has already done that, yes, and they don't do it as well. Applause. That's exactly right. That sounds very arrogant, but it's kind of true. No. Yes, Madonna has no plans to stop pushing boundaries. The superstar explained that her new film, Madame X, is inspired by the acclaimed writer James Baldwin and his mantra about the purpose of art that she has clearly embraced throughout her career and beyond. I'm really inspired by James Baldwin, the writer. Yes, you've heard of him, of course. Don't lie, I've heard of James Baldwin. Yes. Yes, he was a big inspiration for me growing up, and he was a big inspiration for the show, and one of the things I repeatedly quote in the show is that artists are here to disturb the peace, and then wow, and then I hope to have disturbed not only your peace this afternoon, but you always disrupt my peace. Watch the show, but I mean that in the best way.